come to think of it, just because they did not charge Sean at the time with assault on a Leo or battery or whatever the verbiage is here in Vermont, and resisting and whatever else, because he probably smelled like alcohol and had been drinking, I'm sure they reasonably deduced that the prosecutor probably wouldn't be able to make the case, because he would just say, oh, I was drunk, I didn't know what I was doing. Lack of mens rea. Could he form intent? Was he too drunk to be able to form intent? Well, since the dumb motherfucker confessed that he was in fact violent and belligerent and couldn't understand why they didn't go ahead and charge him, and did so on video here that they probably got, along with the video of the actual arrests, there may, the statute of limitations, they might be able to go back and charge him both times, besides his violence against me as a cop. Y'all motherfuckers keep forgetting, just because I don't wear a uniform, once Chad swore me in and immunized me and launched a mandatory criminal investigation into child sex trafficking and all the racketeering and healthcare fraud under Florida and federal law, I'm a Leo. I'm not a Leo that can go arrest anybody, but neither can corrections officers. They can arrest you if you're an inmate in the jail, but if you're not an inmate in that jail in their custody, they can't go out and arrest anybody or read anybody their rights. But they're still, you spit on them or resist or whatever, you can get charged with assault on a Leo on them too. Or even a prosecuting attorney. Or an assistant state's attorney. They don't go around, I mean, they do read you your rights once you're in the courtroom. But if they happen to be out and about, they don't go around making arrests. They don't carry handcuffs. They don't read people their rights, and they just handle the courtroom. But if you assault them, you're going to get assault on a Leo charge. If they're part of your investigation. If they're out socializing somewhere and somebody decides to hit them and don't understand that they are a prosecutor, maybe not. I mean, it's all situational. But my point is, since Sean's recollection is that he was the one being violent, he was the one resisting, he didn't say the police roughed him up or this or that or the other. They said that they were extremely forgiving considering how he behaved. He admitted he was the problem. So he's already confessed, which means he wasn't so drunk that he could not form intent. So basically, when he confessed to me, Sarah George and the Attorney General and anybody else in any other state who wants to charge him for his violence against me, he might very well, they might still be able to charge him for his violence against those Essex PD officers, now that he's confessed. Now they have proof of mens rea. So you can't make it, just because you do the act, you have to have mens rea or criminal intent to go along with the criminal act. Now they've got proof of criminal intent on video about those situations. Then now they've got him, make no mistake, just because I didn't record the shit down at the bus stop a few minutes ago and I didn't record him, You better believe their surveillance captured all of that. I don't give a fuck. I give 2 fucks. Go ahead. I don't give a fuck. Good luck with that. He knows there's going to be, he knows he's under criminal investigation. He knows I'm filing a restraining order. He knows I will call him to police, and that was his answer. So he knows better. I don't care if he'd been drinking or not. So it's really stupid. We know he's a stupid motherfucker. He's not a lawyer. But all you fucking lawyers, Blondie, Blanche, Bove, all the motherfuckers here in Vermont, Dennis McMahon, Judge Hoare, since he works for Judge Hoare might, all you motherfuckers might be able to be charged right along with him, because you're the ones that put him here. And they knew that. That's why they didn't go ahead and arrest him and charge him with the shit at the time, probably. I don't know. I'm just putting ideas out there. I don't know why they didn't do it. Probably many reasons. But I imagine the biggest one being that they knew he worked for Weinberger and Cronin and Blanche and Blondie and Piper and so all of Epstein's ilk, and they needed him, but he hadn't made contact with me. I hadn't met him yet. They needed to leave him out here just like they're leaving me out here, which I'm fine with that. Now that I understand why they've made those decisions, and you've fucking unleashed a bioweapon and removed me from my kids so I can't keep them safe and healthy, yeah, go ahead and keep sending the motherfucker who's confessed to assault and battery and resisting arrest with cops. It's going to be, the restraining order is going to be, any judge who doesn't grant the restraining order is going to look real fucking bad. They're going to have a hell of a lot of explaining to do. My guess is they're going to go ahead and grant it to err on the side of caution. Just like 400 and all but one congressman signed the Epstein Files Transparency Act. They're going to have